This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't previously. Let me remove the previous files that I have. Then to your bottom right or top left, depending at the interface orientation that you are in currently. Well, just tap at this plus icon wherever it is on your screen, then choose the scan option, provide the Google Drive app with the camera access, and once the camera interface gets launched, you gotta take your document and, well, shoot a photo of the said document. If you're satisfied with the result, just proceed by tapping at the, checkmark icon. Then over here, you can crop the image if necessary. As you can see, the raw photo was cropped and framed incorrectly, so I will manually select the area of the photo that I would like to result in the final PDF file. Then you can also change the color scheme that your document is going to use, and then hit the save button, then save once again, wait for the file to get uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.